friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm trying to record and somebody else said I'm trying to do some motorcycle stunts. Like, what's up? Okay, let's try this again. I'm talking. So today we will be doing mini twist on dry stretch hair using one product. Yes, one product, and that product is the Cantu Guava and Ginger. I love Cantu, y'all. Cantu is like one of my favorite brands to use. People sleep on this brand because it's cheap, and cheap products work just as well as them high-end products, baby, because I'm in it for the low. I'm on a journey to wasteland, so let's get into it. So, baby, we're going to use anything to promote hair growth.
Okay, girlfriends, let's get into it with this tutorial. So what you see me doing is taking that ponytail out and fluffing my hair. I do want to let you guys know that I am starting off on dirty hair from my old twist out. What I did was just comb my hair out to stretch it out, easy peasy. Next, what I'm doing is sectioning my hair. What I like to do is section my hair into 3, and the reason why I do like to section my hair is because it causes less breakage and it's easy to detangle. For this particular style, I decided to do a side part because I will be doing flat twists on one side. I then subdivide that third section, going in with a quarter side lotion, rubbing it and raking it through my hair. I then go in with my paddle brush to make sure that my hair is fully detangled and free of knots. Take a little part for the twist, but hold up. Let's check the length. Okay, length check, on point. Okay, so now I'm about to begin twisting my hair. And when I twist my hair really tight because I like my twist to look tight and not loose. The tighter, the better. Okay, and most importantly, once you get to the end of your twist, please make sure that you coil it because you want to get like the little spiral look at the end. Look how it's twirling. So cute. Okay, so I'm done with the first twist. And honestly, this hairstyle is self-explanatory, and if you need a step-by-step tutorial, I will link that video below because I do have a video of me actually teaching you guys how to do mini twists. I'm just going to speed up the rest of the video. You guys sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, though. Cause I did by default and without any doubt, though. I'm a me happy adult, though. I no go feed the girl, it's out, though. I'm a mind that's you can talk, though. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that devil. Like the Baba fry, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh.
So I did begin to notice halfway through my hair that some of my ends were looking really dry and wasn't curling up. So I decided to actually just go back in with a little bit more of some hair lotion, just like a dime size, and just put it on the end and just record the end. So if you experience any problems like that, you don't have to worry. Just grab a dime size, put it at the end, and just record it.
Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for leggy bona. Now so much you make you that feel all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fendi suit. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Timbani at you. I'm a white dog in Fendi suit. Why you say I did nothing for you when for do anything you want me to do. Maybe another time, maybe another life. You will be my wife and we'll get it right. The young last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye bye yo, to the love of my life. My yo, don't cry yo. I need to go and shadow. I need to go and shadow. I need to go and shadow. I need to go and shadow.
So I did use Shine and Jam to flat twist the left side of my hair. You can use whatever edge control that you like. I personally love Shine and Jam, so I always use Shine and Jam for my edges. What you see me doing is flat twisting the left side of my hair, and then I'm going to end the flat twist with a mini twist. Okay, so this is the last mini twist. I have a total of just 3 mini twists in my hair. You can do as many as you like. I normally do about 3 or 4, but my parking was kind of off this time, so I only could fit 3 on that side. Done, and since my hair was done on dry hair, I did need moisture. I decided to use my main choice H2O hydration therapy, and what I did was just spritz my hair, making sure that I get every layer, top to bottom, rub it in, rake it in, do whatever you want to do. Most importantly, don't forget to spray the ends of your hair. The ends of your hair is the most damaged part, so that part should always be hydrated and moisturized. I then go in with the Cantu guava and ginger oil, just rubbing it throughout my hair to add some shine to it. And this is the end results. As you guys can see, I'm loving my hair. I just want to say thank you, girlfriends, for tuning in. If you have any questions, please comment below. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, girlfriends. Bye.